How to fix crime scene cleaner keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game and then click on properties, and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files button and wait for this process to finish. Now once it's done, you want to click on the browse button at the top and then right click on the game's exe file and go to properties and then compatibility tab and check both of these options right here and then click on apply and OK. Now you can go to the general tab and under launch options you want to enter the following command, which is -dx11, and you can close this window now. And before launching the game again, you want to open up your GPU application. So if you have NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install NVIDIA app and then go to drivers section and click on this arrow to check for updates, and then you might need to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Then you will be prompted to restart your system, and once you do so, you want to open up Steam and simply launch or play the game again, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.